tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is an unboxing video. I will be unboxing a few things my sister got from Shein stroke Temu. We're going to be comparing them. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Please give the video a huge amount of thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share beautiful comments. These are ladies tops and looking at it, I feel it's worth the price, guys. Like, you let me know in the comment section when you see it. Is it worth it? Let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share beautiful comments. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Tronovec. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja, and I'm a mom of one. So my YouTube is all about lifestyle, hilarious short videos, and motherhood and everything in between. So guys, let's get started. So we're going to be starting up by this is Shein. This is Shein. So the first thing she got was this wig. This is a gray, looking at it, looks like a gray wig. Yeah, it's a gray wig. This is how the wig looks like. It's kind of cute. It's cute. It's gray, so it's very cute. I love this texture, but this is a kind of hair that you don't need to wear every time. Okay, so maybe when I'm editing this video, I'll snap picture with this hair or do video with the hair. I'll put it so that you guys can see it. It's really nice. I love the texture of the hair. It's quite cute though. It's cute. So I'm going to package it back. Package it back for my baby girl. So on my table right here, it's a lot of things she bought. So I'll show you guys one after the other. So the next thing here is this purse. It's gold in color. I love the material of the purse. Okay, it's giving you that leather vibes. All right, so this is the material of the purse. Very nice and so simple to use. Like, what's going to enter inside here is like your phone, your car key, your makeup, like your powder, your lipstick, and that's what's going to enter. And your maybe your ATM card. That's what's going to enter here, because look at how it is. It's really portable and so simple to use. Not too much stress. See, very simple. I like the bag. The bag is really cute. Okay, it's very cute. If you know, you know. Hey, it's gonna be a ton down. So another thing she got is this light. All right, this light is that. If you remember some of my videos I did from Temu, I unboxed this kind of light from Temu. Mine is a sunset, and she said she got a sunset light. So we are going to be checking out the light. I'm going to use my power bank to see if it's going to turn to sunset or not. So hold on guys, I'll be right back. So we're going to use my power bank to power the light. Oh, it's green. Oh, it can change color. So there's a button at the back where you can change the color. So this is green, this is red, this is blue, this is purple, and this is a sunset something. Oh, that's nice. I like it though. But the one I bought from Temu, you don't change the color. It's just one permanent color. But this one is good because you can change. It has like, okay, let's count the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this one now is now multi. To be giving you multicolor vibe. Oh, that's nice. It's like 8 colors thereabout. It's really nice. I like it. Very good. Very good. Okay, this is good for content creating. Like content creators like us that like to change like background. I want to change background. This is really good for background changing. All right, so The next thing she got here is this set of earrings. It's so cute. Like, oh my goodness. Like, what? What is this? It's so cute. Like, OMG. Ooh. Ooh, I got it. It's like, see. It's so cute. Just wear it with a layback hair. You just be feeling yourself. You be feeling yourself like a Cinderella. It's really, really cute. I like it. Then another thing she got again is this for lashes. She got this for lashes. This for lashes. She got this for lashes, which is nice. It's going to help her with her lashes. And this here, it's a bonnet and it's silk. So here is also, it's not like silk, it's like what's this will I call this place, but anyway, here is silk, here is like cotton. So I like that it's black self. It's cute. Then what else again? Here it's empty, so this particular one don't finish. Few shoes. So this one is one shoe. Alright, and she got a, she said she booked for size 38 stroke 40 and they gave her size 39 stroke 40 and they gave her size 38. But anyway, the shoe is fine. She tested the shoe, it entered, it's her size. Yeah, the shoe is fine. It's really, really cute. I love the details of the shoe, like this silver chain right here. Very, very cute. It's very, very cute. Like, oh, wear the shoe with your dress. It's a kilo. It's a kilo. The other thing she got was this is from Shein. Because looking at the package, is Shein. I'm seeing here. Now this is how Shein packages now. A bit more package like this. But anyway, this is a tobra. I'll call it tobra. See? It's like a tobra. Very, very fine. And bra length, tobra, or anyone. Drop your comment in the comment section. But anyway, this is how it looks like, Sha. It's very cute. This is the details. And again, the material is very, very fine. The material is very, very fine. I like the material. The other thing she got is this trouser. The trouser is cute. It's giving this jean vibe, but not jean. Okay, I can't say it's written. It's in a polo. But anyway, polysticky, whatever. But for me, they draw. So far, they draw. It's, you know, hey, if you know lacquer skirt, yes, lacquer skirt. If you know lacquer skirt, let me know in the comment section. This is how it is. It a draw. It a draw, Sha. So this is how it is. But it's very, very nice. It entered high, covered everywhere. We brought out the whole of her shape, the whole of her assets. Another thing she bought here is another tobra. I'm calling them tobra, but there's a name she call it. No be tobra, but man, they call them tobra. No, cause this one is a black one. It's cute. It fits very well. I wish it no fit so that they go dash me. Oh. I wish it no fit so they can dash me. Oh. But it fits. Unfortunately for me, it fits the person we get up. But yeah, this one looks like so cute. Then this is a shirt. This is like a guy shirt. This is a guy's shirt. It's very cute. Bling. The blues. Then this one is a same as the other one I showed you guys. This one is like a nude color. It's a nude color. Then she got shoes. This shoe, very cute. If I tell you the design of this shoe, you will be smiling. It's so cute and it fits her leg. So this is size 40. Okay, I feel when you're ordering for something, order for a size up, just in case they will not get to your particular size, or they get something that will fit your leg. This is a size 40, a small 40. It's not a big 40. It's very, very nice. And this is not leather, guys. This is not leather. Then another thing she got is she got a 2-piece. It is a short knicker, like a short and a tank top. Nice for going out. You know, you can pair this and this together and go out, like for grocery shopping, or like what do they call it, or sit out. Very, very nice, and it ties a lot. And this one is a hose, a black hose. My girl, like she like hose a lot. So this one is a black hose. Nice pattern, sha. She like hose a lot to wear with her short skirt. Then she got this gold shoe. I love this gold shoe. This gold shoe is one of my favorites in all these things she bought, sha. This gold shoe, it's so cute. Like, the shoe is shining. It's shining. So cute. Ah, Honda is fine too. And this is a size 40, but I think this is a small size 40 because she does not wear size 40. She wears 39. So 40 is my size. I wear big size 40, so this is a small size 40, and it fits her very, very well. It enters her leg. And the last thing we're going to be unboxing, last but not the least, is this shoe. Ooh, look at it, guys. Like, so cute. Look at the heel. I love this red and black. I don't know, I love the red and black, or the nude and red. I'm always obsessed with this kind of shoe. It used to give me this bossy chick vibe. Okay, but anyway, this is a shoe. It's her size, and this is a size, waiting, you know, the right size is at 250. 250. What is 250? Maybe it's a size 39, sha, but it's her size. Then the last but not the least is this wireless headset glasses. Okay, this is what it looks like. So we tested it and it's working. Actually, you will connect your phone to the glasses. You listen to music. You can use it to make phone call, music, and actually need to do video recording. But I don't think it does video recording. So this is an audio glasses. So it's for only phone call and listen to music. I wish it has like a video recording so that, you know, when you are vlogging, this is a good way to vlog. They'll be vlogging people and they'll think it's just normal glasses, but not knowing that is a glass that, you know, that records somebody. Yeah. But anyway, guys, that's everything she got. It has a charger for you to charge it as well. And yeah, that is everything my sister bought. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section which one is your highlight. For me, this gold shoe is my favorite. I think I'm going to collect it from my hand. If you know, if you have another sister that buys this, and the younger one, you know, we used to do tapping things, we used to collect this, and now that is our logo. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Let me know in the comment section. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share with comments, and I'll see you on my besties in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.